Okay, let us just start. So, good evening, Sudhaji. Like, before we begin, I really want to say this. Like, you have done something truly incredible because in just 7 days, I think last Thursday, we have just started with the orientation, right? And within seven
Yes.
days, you actually not only recovered your full investment, but you have also set a benchmark for everyone inside the PNC. I hope you have become a real inspiration for those who have joined and especially who are those who are like still thinking because few are still in that stage like whether can I do it, whether can I actually do a career shift into freelancing, will this work for me? So your success is kind of a motivation like every student needs. Like frankly speaking, you are a rock star in this journey, right? I think
Thank you.
very happy, yeah, seeing na. I was very glad to take such course, so like so good to see you also. It's been like 7 days only now, and you have already got your investment back also. Like, how does it feel actually? Just say me that. How does that feel?
It's awesome because I was thinking how to get this money to pay your fees, basically, because I'm struggling with finances. I'd already told Bhaskar sir because of my health issues. I've been in hospital, then I had to take some personal loan also for that. So I requested him because I can't pay my fees right now. I will be just paying 2,000 and rest I will be paying after some time. And he said okay. So this was a very good support system which I got from your team, whole team, and especially Bhaskar sir and Vidu sir. So I really say thanks for this thing. And within 7 days, because I was already in 0 to 14 group, so I had got some info how to do, how what to do, how to pitch and everything. So I thought about it to start again and get things online.
That's really great. Like, did you think now within this particular stipulated time now? Like, do you ever think it will it happen or not? Like before, especially last Thursday. Okay, within this 1 week, I'm gonna crack this one day. Like, have you ever thought, especially last Saturday, this particular time?
Actually, if I talk about this client, I was following him from since a long time, but still it was not happening due to some reason because his network was not there. He was not picking up my call, whatever it was the issues. Some things I was facing. But before that, I had this client 6 years back. I had served him, and then I was really peculiar about it. Why he left me? Why he is not asking me for the service? So I thought about it, but in 0 to 14 days, whatever Viru told us, you have to pitch in this way, you have to do in this way. So I implemented all those things. And in this 7 days also, I went through the notes, I went through the recordings, and I saw whatever was going on. I rectified it. So how I should move for this program. So I asked that person again. I pinched him
Okay.
his pain points, and I
Ah.
got this thing.
Okay, so like under what domain did you get the projects? Whether it is for like SEO content, what kind of projects did
It
you
is
get
for
them?
social media. It is a
Social.
social media project, mid value social media project.
Okay. Now, like, can you share like what kind of mentorship or support you have experienced from us during this particular time? See, at one moment now you would have thinking like, okay, this actually clicked to me and made the biggest impact. So certain things we would have taught, right? Certain things now you would see like, okay, this is the best thing I have learned from here. So what is the biggest impact from especially the mentorship from Trident?
Actually, if I say I have taken many classes.
Okay.
Yes, in my digital marketing career, if I talk about, I've taken many classes. Means big names. If you also say, I have taken their classes also, but there has been never hand holding, and that hand holding had come from Viru, to be very
Hmm.
honest. And then you and Urvi, three of you had been like holding my hands, telling me, guiding me. This had been a real support, and which I really wanted, because at many and times I feel like अभी ये कैसे करूं, मतलब how to do this now. So
Okay.
I get stuck at some point. So I really wanted to understand now what to do. So that helping hand has supported me a lot.
Okay. And also, what about, see, mentorship you have just told me because we do have a customer support team right over here from Bhaskar sir also. Like, could you share a moment like where you felt that strong support? Because you, whenever you have a doubt, obviously your one point of contact would be like Bhaskar sir, right? So how it
Hmm.
helped you, especially the support you
Actually,
just got from the team?
Bhaskar sir is always helping. He has never say no. He always say, "Let me have a word with the team. Let me have a word with the Viru. Let me get something sorted out for you." So this support I got it from him. So he was always there, and then the rest of the team is there, always supporting.
Yes, of course. Like, because now we can take a course, we can complete the course, we may get a job or we may get a client. That's it, like Tata bye bye. But we do have a steady customer support team. So whenever you just get queries, especially related to skills or scale, or like whatever may be, there should be one particular person, right? So we do have a point of contact, especially for the support. So whenever people are coming with the sale objection or like any quotation they need for the projects, now obviously we have that support system. Like, that is why I really want to ask up with this question. So how was that support system very helpful in actually the closing the client? Okay.
Support system was really helpful. If I say,
Thanks a
it
lot.
was an
That's
awesome experience to work with the support system,
Thanks a lot. Okay. So that
and
like
that was
before,
easy going also. It was
yeah,
easy
yeah,
going.
definitely easy
It
going.
was,
Definitely.
yeah, it was not a tough thing to talk to the support system. It was never a tough thing.
It's always student friendly. Definitely, I can say, because
Yeah.
I was also like one of the student from Hello Viru team, because I took one of the courses prior. Definitely, support system is like bang on from here.
Hmm.
Okay, next I would ask one question. Before that, a small request, okay? To maintain your edge and protect your peace of mind, please don't mention your client name, okay? Or the amount you charge. Sometimes when these details go public, people from outside may try to reach out to your client with low offers, which can create unnecessary distractions, right? So instead, we would love to know what services did you provide, what is the industry the client is from, and what specific result or transformation did you promise? So, like, what service, which industry is the client from, and what specific result they are expecting and you are ready to provide.
Actually, they are more interested for brand positioning. So I have
Okay, brand
committed them.
positioning.
Okay, oh, I will give you your brand position which you require in within a 3 months span of time. Within first quarter, you will be getting a brand presence. And secondly, this client is from RCM, that is medical billing. They are
Okay,
into
okay,
medical billing service in USA. They are based in out of USA. They
okay,
are into India itself, but they work for USA clients.
okay. So, like, you are ready for the next 3 months transition for the client.
Yeah, I've already started. When I met with them, when I had my first meeting with them, I already prepared with them the content calendar and everything. I had made already clear with them. Okay, this I have already prepared for you, so you don't have to wait for this content calendar to be prepared. And he was very happy with that thing.
Seriously, yeah. Oh my God. Because now client who always comes up with certain revisions. Even we just give the best, right? They'll be just saying, no, just we can have like one or two revisions. Then only the satisfactory level actually increases. But it's really great now. You just just like that, you are just getting the approval from the client. It's like very easy to get clients, frankly speaking. But to retain that particular client and to get a satisfactory note from the client now, that is a very big thumbs up. Certainly, very good, yeah. Like, lastly, okay, let us just go for the last question. Like, what would you like to say someone who's still thinking or wondering, like, should I join the PNC program or not? Like, after your very own journey, right, and success in this particular 7 days, because last week we had the orientation, this week you have just closed with the client. Is there anything you would recommend or something you would still want to learn from us? Like something, because still people are somewhere they would be thinking now, okay, is this the right platform? Because many of them want to start with freelancing, especially in digital marketing over here. So, any suggestions or opinion from you, especially about the
Actually,
PNC program?
yeah, actually, getting the skills done, if learning any skill is very easy, but
Mhm.
maintaining that skill and then growing with that skill is really tough. And having a mentor like Viru and you all people, to be very honest with all the team members, it's really good, or means it is an added advantage, because you all people have been helping me, so I know you will be helping others also,
Yes,
and
sir.
you are just a call away. You are just a call away.
So like, so you are giving a big thumbs up for the PNC program and also
Yeah,
Virus's team. Because now we really want to get the feedback from the students. We never want to sit inside the bubble, okay? We have just created a certain like extraordinary course, like that's it, we can just move for the next. No, we want to know the ground level reality also. That is why we take certain sessions with students to get the real feedback like this, how it happened, whether it is due to our support, whether due to our mentorship, like how Viru sir has guided with this curriculum. So we want to take the exact real points. That is why we connected with you for this particular session. Like, thank you, Sudhaji. I'm
thank
extremely
you.
like joyful, yeah. So like, please, you really want to scale up in the further days. We are really just want to be very happy. Please scale. Please have a funnel system. So having a system and process is the best one for you, I would say. Complete with the current projects and also try to delegate the projects. It's not like you have to stick only with this 1 to 2 projects also. Please try to delegate it also when you just go
I
for.
have planned.
Yeah, so
I
that
have planned for that.
definitely, Sudha. So like see you soon in the other sessions also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon.